If you've checked image SEO guides, you've probably seen both basic and advanced ones. I've shared similar guides on this channel too, but everyone says the same things. Make the image smaller, use a web-friendly format, and add alt text. But is that all? No, it's not. Big agencies use some secret techniques for their clients' images to make them perform much better, but no one shares these secrets. Don't worry, I'll share all of them in today's video. Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you step-by-step secret image SEO tips. You can use these tips on your website to get more traffic from images. Let's turn your images into high-performing assets. The first point is image structured data. You may have used structured data for your videos, pages, or local business, but have you used image structured data? Google officially supports this. Image structured data tells Google not just the image link, but also details like where the image license is from, who created the image, a person or an organization, the name of the person or organization. When you add this information, Google trusts your images more and shows them higher in search results. For example, in some searches, Google shows only image carousels, not featured snippets. If you use structured data, your images can appear in these carousels and boost your traffic. Sadly, there aren't many tools for creating image structured data. But if you use WordPress, the Rank Math plugin lets you add custom schema for images easily. Next, use custom images. Avoid using stock images from websites like Unsplash or FreePic. Google can easily identify stock images, but it doesn't give them much importance. Instead, use custom images related to your business or products. Original photos perform better in search results and build trust with your audience. If you're running an e-commerce site, be careful not to use manufacturer-provided images, as these are often reused on other sites. This can hurt your ranking. Next, make images mobile-friendly. Most websites are mobile responsive now, but their images aren't always optimized for mobile. Desktop images are usually in landscape mode, but this doesn't look good on mobile. To fix this, create two versions of each image. A landscape version for desktop, a portrait, or square version for mobile. This ensures your images look good on all devices and perform better. Next, avoid text in images. Don't put too much text inside images. If you use text in an infographic or image, make sure it's not repeated word for word on the page. Google doesn't like duplicate content, so repeating the same text can hurt your page's quality score. Next, align images strategically. Images break up long blocks of text and make pages easier to read. Place images in different positions, left, center, or right, to create a smooth flow for the reader. Good alignment improves user experience UX, and better UX boosts your SEO. Don't forget the basics. Advanced tips are great, but basic SEO rules are just as important. Compress your images to reduce file size. Add alt text to every image. Use proper dimensions for faster loading. Manually writing alt text is a time-consuming task. If you don't have enough time for it, you can use the AI Image Alt Text Generator plugin. This is an AI-powered plugin that automatically analyzes your image and generates SEO-friendly alt text. The most interesting feature is that it offers a free version for trial. Along with alt text, you'll also get options for image titles, descriptions, and many other features. Our channel has a full explanation of how this plugin works and the features it offers. You can check it out if you're interested. Links are available in the button and the description. Use these tips to make your website's images high-performing assets. Also, check your image traffic in Google Search Console. It helps you track how much traffic your images bring to your site. Thank you for watching.